bakaturangan din sa sigod na matentu. Na wala na tebe ni William Taki ng Banua. Wala ni President. Nob na kami. Bakaturangan sila Banua. Tuma. Pero sa kana ilu niya po sa bibig. Oy. Sa bakaturangan na tinatalitingan na luto na les-les ni Baskabit. Sa tikong maluwet kaya tiba na sinalibunan. Masa ka nakamunangan na bato ni Banua. Sa may labit sa katiwa na kemisa raw na matakalali po. Kamunanga sa matatabi na katubig kemina kinaman. Kamunanga sa iba karaytag sa katiko ni Indo na yung kona sa usap. Daw tuman na sa to. Na yung kona na isip-sip at turang. Kamu na nga talaga kaya makasa kasi kung kininagi sa non-ray Tatau baturang sa katiko non na matatimi sa may dami maluwi kaya sa katiko na matay nakamu na nga sa dami baturang sa katiko may naloman ni Sogo ni Reunion non tapan mo may na TV ni William Taki na tema wasa naman turang na rock tikyo sa lumuriya sa katiko may na William Taki turang na CEO, kaya turang na chairman man ng bala, wasa ka naman turang na tinakas. May na matay Twitter, kubuna, wasa naman turang na buliwalo tika. Puro masanga, wasa ka naman marambal na road educator na buliwalo. Kuni masyawa, matay turang pabata. Kamu na nga, sa tanto-tanto sa katsik may kina na time na matalin po, may makana kaya na balawala. Pero na sa liyan, pero na sa antaraw, tinakaya na singilit. Nakaya na muritim nga na nanday tobo, kaya na nanday balawala. Kaya na nanday bumabiti. Nakaya na may kira isa katiko, na nung nibeba ka nga walataki. Kaya na beba ka lungan taki. Kaya na TV nibilong taki. Kaya na sabaraw may bito tiko na matalin na soso, o ira na soso bukibi. Siya nga kaya na bosa. Kaya na roti, kaya na lima mitado sa katumay na naman lima tayo naman. Sa kira sa katiko may nasubot ko na kaya na biwa kalungat. Maraming kalungat sa katiko na nakatabi, kalungat sa katiko na isang sa ukibit, kalungat sa katiko na napaliwawalan na kaya na karami sa katiko na kaya tayo lilit. May balang-balaw sa katiko na bosa na ibakaray tayo kinamunangan, itatawag at parang nagsipsip. Sa may wakareteg sa katyo na matalay sa mikuha. Hindi na matalito. Buwasa ka na wali-wala-wala, hindi na matapalistin. Nabanua, bertuma, beto sa ka na maniturangan na yun niya usali. Yan ang kinimuli. Asosoraki, atu!
I'm very honored to receive, on behalf of government and the people of Fiji, our national under-20 rugby team that will represent Fiji at the forthcoming World Rugby Under-20 trophy competition in Uruguay. I welcome your visit to present your I-Tautau in the same manner and spirit that I have welcomed all our national teams that have come before you. I'm particularly impressed, and even though you are young in age, you have demonstrated great wisdom to seek the nation's blessings before you depart our shores in the next couple of days. And at the juncture, I'd like to acknowledge and thank Reverend Bhagwan for the very inspirational short speech this morning. Moreover, the spiritual message brought to us this morning by Reverend James Bhagwan is very timely and most appropriate. I congratulate all of you for your selection into the National Under-20 team. Well done. I acknowledge in particular the great effort and sacrifices you have all made so that you can be part of the team. I I also acknowledge the hard work that your coaches and officials have put towards your preparation for this year's competition. Nabaliw na Ret'd. Terima kasih. I'm aware that the World Rugby Under-20 Trophy competition is the qualifying event towards the annual Junior Rugby World Championship. Fiji last participated in the Junior World Championship in 2014, where we finished at the 12th place, I was told, and our best placing was in 2011 when we reached 6th place. Quite an achievement. Well done. I have no doubt that you all are here today. You want to play in the Junior World Championships. For this to happen, you will need to play exceptionally well at the trophy competition. It's going to be tough, but we have every confidence that you will do well. All of you here know only too well how important rugby is to our nation. This is one sport that can bring all our people together, and you've seen that. Especially so that we are the Olympic champions in the 7-a-side rugby. We are world champions. Last week we celebrated our first anniversary since winning the Olympic gold medal in Rio about a year ago. Rugby also captured the nation's attention when our senior national team 2 months ago beat 2 Tier 1 rugby nations, Italy and Scotland, and outperformed our neighbors Tonga and Samoa to qualify for the 2019 Rugby World Cup. Quite an achievement, and we're all proud of that. Just last weekend, the nation saw a full capacity crowd gathered at the ANZ National Stadium to witness the finals of the Fiji Secondary Schools Dean's Rugby competition. What a championship that was. I was very impressed with the quality of play from all the teams, especially from the quarterfinal stages onwards to the final. Of course, congratulations in order to the Ret'd Kandavu School for scooping all the grades. And I also congratulate the other teams for putting up a very formidable performance in opposing the RKS teams. This week is yet another rugby week, the Milo Kachi competition. I have every confidence that many of these young players will follow in your footsteps to represent our country at the international level. I'm also confident that many of you will go on to represent our country in the senior national teams in years to come. You can all be rest assured that the nation will be following your performance at the World Rugby Under-20 Trophy competition with keen interest. But do not be pressured, because you are not alone in your efforts to stamp your mark at the international level. The nation is with you. And as a nation, Fiji is also playing a leading role at the global level, where we are the president of the 71st session of the United Nations General Assembly, a role that we will hand over next month after a very successful one-year term in office. Fiji took center stage at the United Nations in June when it co-chaired the Oceans Conference and called on world leaders to help protect the world's oceans. We are also leading the charge on climate change as we prepare to take on the presidency of COP23 this November. In this role, we intend to convince world leaders to help save our planet by reducing carbon emission, preventing global warming, and stopping low-lying islands in the Pacific and around the world from going underwater due to the rise in sea level. In all of our international engagements and commitments, we are encouraging the world leaders not to drop the ball or perform blind passes, and you know all about it. To do so would result in catastrophe for our planet and for humanity at large. We will eventually lose out. We are calling on the world to work to our strengths and combine our efforts and resources, and we can only win if we remain united, and with God's help, I have no doubt that we will prevail. This morning, I encourage all of you to work as a team. Play a part in your respective individual positions, but combine your effort. I have every confidence that you will come out winners in the end. So I accept your I-Tautau today on behalf of government and all Fijians, with our collective encouragement and best wishes for a successful championship in Uruguay. Be good ambassadors for our country, both on and off the field, and fly our flag with pride, as you heard from the good Reverend. May Almighty God Bless you all. Bless your respective families and our beloved nation, Fiji.